Heat, temperature and thermal energy. A measure of how hot or cold an object is compared to its surroundings defines the term temperature. An object is made up of tiny particles that are always in motion. This movement is termed as kinetic energy. If the particles in the object move faster, their kinetic energy increases, which causes the object to heat up, causing the temperature to raise. The temperature is measured in Fahrenheit scale or Celsius scale. The temperature of 32 degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 0 degrees centigrade. Many scientists use the Kelvin scale. The Kelvin scale is divided into Kelvin, K. The degrees in Celsius or centigrade scale is same to that of a Kelvin scale. Thermal energy is the total energy of all the particles in the object. Thermal energy differs from temperature, which is the average energy of the individual particles in an object. The more the particles in an object, more is the thermal energy for the given temperature. The higher the temperature of the object, higher is the thermal energy. An object has thermal energy, hence, the heat can be transferred. Heat is the transfer of thermal energy from a warmer object to a cooler object. Heat is transferred and evenly spread between hot and cool objects. Heat is measured in joules. In land or fluids, heat is transferred from warmer areas to cooler area by conduction. Convection and radiation. 1. Conduction. It is the transfer of heat from one particle or area to another. In an oven, a cake is baked when the warm particles from the bottom of the oven mixes with the slow-moving particles in the cake. This causes the cake to raise. 2. Convection. It is caused in fluids. Hurricanes are caused when warm particles from the ocean raise and mix with cold air in the atmosphere to form dense particles. 3. Radiation. It is the transfer of energy by electromagnetic waves. This transfer does not require particles. The sun's energy travels to Earth through the empty space. Conductors, insulators and thermal expansion. A material that takes in or transfers the heat quickly is called a conductor. All metals are good conductors. A material, for example wool, that does not let in or transfer heat is called an insulator. When the thermal energy of an object increases, the particles spread out. This causes the object to expand. When the thermal energy decreases, the particles narrow and this causes the object to contract. This is termed as thermal expansion.